Aya and I will present to you skin microbiome solutions based on psoriasis studies. Now, what is the problem with psoriasis? Psoriasis is a chronic inflammatory skin disease. It affects 125 million people worldwide of any age, gender, or race. It has unknown causes and has no cure. The regimen is practically trial and error, and it is a difficult disease to manage. Why skin microbiome metagenomics? Well, since the microbial population in psoriasis patients produces inflammatory molecules and varies to body site, it is important to study the individual microbial profile to understand the disease better. Personalized treatment based on individual's microbial profile will offer solutions that can improve the patient's symptoms, lower the risk to develop psoriatic arthritis, and reduce their economic burden. We studied then the microbiome of psoriasis dataset that's publicly available. We compared the microbial diversity and abundance of the health control group and the psoriasis group. And what we found is that we see some bacterial species that are specifically present in both groups, but mainly that there are detected species that are only present in one or the other groups. We, in general, see a diversity between the control healthy group and the psoriasis group. That leads us to a couple of conclusions. Firstly, that the skin of psoriasis patients has more pathogenic microbes and less commensal microbes, and it's different between skin sites. The disease also requires a more long-term management. The first three conclusions leads us to potentially a solution that is focused on bacteriotherapy, such as probiotic creams. The fourth conclusion leads us to potentially monitoring the disease through an app that can monitor the cycles of the disease. How would it work? Practically, we take a sample of your skin, then we provide you with a psoriasis skin microbiome profile, which the patient then talks with a dermatologist and are given a specific profile and cream for the skin site that they have. Finally, you continue the treatment and monitor it through the app. Now, what is important about probiotic bacteriotherapy creams is that our goal is to create a set of probiotic creams that would be customized to the skin microbiome of the skin sites of the patient. Studies have shown that certain microbes can increase the immune response or decrease the abundance of pathogenic microbes. That's why bacteriotherapy creams would be effective in this case. The advantages are that it is a solution that is customized to the patient. It can be used as a complementary solution to anti-inflammatory treatments, to steroids. It's not invasive and not painful. The other solution is a mobile app. Current mobile applications for psoriasis offer monitoring of the disease or network. We focus on monitoring. The patient practically takes a picture of the skin, notes of the flares and the intensity, and communicates with the dermatologist through the app about potential reviewing their data. What we add to with our solution would be to provide a skin microbiome profile of the patient, which can become potentially machine learning technology. Provide them with updated research information related to the microbiome profile and a customized list of products that can be known to help with their profile. Eventually, a gut microbiome profile would be added to this product. The way we see it ahead is firstly to do an extensive study of psoriasis skin microbiome profiles to actually detect the profiles, then collaborate with dermatologists to find patients that are connected with the profiles, and we could figure out what kind of creams would work for them, specifically what probiotic creams would work for them. Create a timeline for the application development and identify the formulas that would work for the specific patients and the profiles that we have found. And then collaborate with pharmaceuticals to start producing them and start the first trials, launch the beta versions, and come to investors with a product to market. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you have a great day ahead.